So good afternoon to all. So yeah, what are the topics we discussed on yesterday's class? Can anyone tell what are the topics we discussed on yesterday's class? Yesterday's first on the first day of class revision. So what are the topics we discussed? Quickly, can anyone tell? So with that we'll go to today's topic. Okay. So what are the topics we discussed on yesterday's class? Which topic we completed over there? Okay. Just tell me quickly the small recap of our yesterday's class. Simple. Okay. So tell me any one of the people in common. Introduction, data type, lab basics we discussed. Environment, yes. Numeric data type we discussed over there. And data flow, yes. Important data flow is very important. Super. Okay. Then in numeric data type, we discussed specifically how to create what happen if you trying to connect two different representation. So dot will occur over there. How to fix the particular question dot over there. Okay, the red dot represents question dot. Okay, so in your question paper, other than question dot, any of the option available means don't pick that option over there. Okay, the red dot always represent the question dot over there. Okay, COERCION, coercion dot, red dot represents. Okay, so where the red dot will occur means red dot will occur under lower memory representation or lower memory data type. Sometimes data type they will tell. Okay, so that's why, so lower memory representation or lower memory numeric data type it will occur, and output will be always you will get a higher memory output only, higher memory data type only you will get as a output over there. Okay, so then we discussed about the round of functions we discussed over there. In round of functions we started with the, in round of functions what function we started means, so what is round to nearest function, what is absolute value, what is round towards negative infinity, round towards positive infinity. Yesterday itself I said, so whenever you are getting the question from round of functions means, they will ask about what is the output data type you will get and what is the answer you will get. Okay, that's very important. Okay, if it's positive value means no problem, you can able to find the answer easily. Okay, but if it is a negative input they are giving means you have to be very careful for all the numbers over there. Okay, either it might be around to nearest or around towards negative infinity, positive infinity, all those things. Okay, very important. So kindly practice that the four functions. Absolute, yes, you may think easy, but sometimes that will also will become confused for at that exam point of time. Okay, that's why. So IS divide function we discussed. Divide, in divide we have some special thing will be available. So if you are using divide function with a integer value means, integer value you can connect. Okay, but what happened, question dot will occur on the both the terminal, question dot will occur. Okay, so but rest of the functions like addition, subtraction and new multiplication, any one of the place only it will, the dot will occur. Might be depend upon the representation. Okay, but for a divide function, if you are connecting integer input means any integer input you will get a question dot, two place you will get a question dot over there. Okay, what is the default data type of the divide function? What is the default data type of divide function? So my question is default data type I'm asking here. Okay, default data type will be DBL will be the default data type. Okay, suppose consider my input will be my both my for the divide function, both of my input will be my both of my input I'm going to provide over there. First input is DBL for the divide function I'm talking there. Okay, for the divide function first input will be double precision floating point and second input will be single precision floating point. What is the output indicator it will create? So that's my question. So what is the output indicator it will create? So my first input will be DBL, second input will be SGL for divide function. What is the output indicator it will create means, indicator will be DBL only it will create. Of course, question dot will occur definitely, definitely, and dot will be occur on the SGL terminal and output will be DBL will get. Okay, very important special case. Okay, so in which representation you will get NAN? In which representation you will get NAN? NAN, not a number, not a number, or infinite, plus infinite, minus infinite. That is in which representation? In which representation I'm asking? In which representation I'm asking? Okay, not the number. In which representation you will get NAN? DBL. What about SGL? SGL. Yes, of course, DBL will be the correct answer. That is a default way. Suppose in your question, that is not in the question, in the question option. Suppose DBL instead of DBL, SGL they given means in SGL also you will get the you will get a NA and you will get plus infinite minus infinite will come over there. Okay, so you have to know that thing also. Okay, so DBL and SGL both the places the dot will the infinite will come, minus infinite will come, NaN will come over there. Okay, so so what happened to integer side? Okay, in integer will you get NaN? In integer will you get NaN? Yes or no? In integer, will you get NaN? In integer data type, will you get NaN, not a number, or infinite, or not an infinite means? So in integer, you won't get any NaN value. So because they have a value will be defined over there. So if they are going to get infinite means so infinite will not come. Instead of infinite, you will get a maximum number you will get for the particular representation you will get. Okay, might be I8 or U8, I16, U16. Okay, so these are the things we'll get. And with that special property for the divide function, then we discussed about the expression node we discussed and the formula node we discussed. What is the major disadvantage of expression node over the formula node? What is the disadvantage of expression node over the formula node? Disadvantage I'm asking, not advantage. Okay, so one of the question we may expect like this. Okay, so my question is, what is the disadvantage of expression node? I asked over there. Okay, over the formula node means expression node will accept only one variable, but formula node will accept more than one variable over there. Okay, so it will accept only one variable. So you are telling the answer. Okay, but when you are writing the exam, you have to understand the options clearly, then go for the then go and pick the option over there. Okay, so because they will use some terms over there, that terms you have to understood within a time, you have to understood over there. Okay, that's why it's very important. So here we may tell any answer, that's for our understanding we are telling that, but there you have to pick the right one. Okay, so hope you will pick the right one. Okay, now so with that we ended our numeric data type. Apart from that, I said so two more question possibility will be available. Numeric will be one will be they will give some expression. They will give, suppose they are giving the expression like b square minus 4ac divided by divided by 2a, something they are giving means they will give the expression they will give. And in the option you have a formula, that is you have a block diagram will be available. You have to find the right block diagram. Okay, so option A some diagram will be available. You have to be very careful while getting these questions over there. Okay, because function is changed means entirely your answer will be changed over there. Okay, the expression will change. Okay, that's why so expression they will give and you have to identify the correct block diagram. Same way block diagram they will give one block diagram and you must identify the expression over there. Okay, so the vice versa question will be available in numeric data type. Okay, the same thing will follow in boolean also. Okay, so we'll discuss that in boolean data type. Okay, so we'll go for boolean now. Okay, so in boolean data type, what is the color of boolean? What is the color of boolean data type? Color of boolean data type, green color. Okay, so color basically color of the boolean, this kind of question will not come. Okay, definitely 100% the question will not come. Why I am asking means you have to be very careful. The conversions at that time, the colors will be very helpful to get the right answers for the questions over there. Okay, so have a green color will be available over there. So push button and round LED, push button rocker, vertical rocker, so horizontal switch all will represent the controls, it will represent over there. And round LED and square LED will be the indicator, it will represent over there. Okay, now in this place, in the boolean, the function palette, they have a boolean data type will be available. In boolean data type you have a basic functions will be available there. Okay, so AND gate, OR gate, XOR, NOT gate, compound arithmetic, these things will be available. So when this where these functions will be, they will implement in your question means suppose they are developing the program, as I said, no, so they will give some expression, they will give, I said in numeric, say at the time that this expression level come into picture over there. Okay, at the time you have to know the proper logical table, you have to know. Okay, if you are missing the logic table means definitely you will end up with a wrong answer over there. Okay, so same way in boolean you have only two states will be available, true value will be available, false value will be available. Okay, don't tell zeros and ones. Okay, because you will get confused over there. So try to have a behavior of using the term true and false over there. Okay, when 0 and 1 will come means if you are converting, if you are using this function boolean to 0 comma 1 means then only the boolean value will be converted to 0 and 1 for the false value and true value respectively. Okay, so unless the value will be true and false value, don't tell zeros and ones over there. Okay, so if you practice being try to convert that. Okay, so try to have a say like a true one false value. Okay, so we'll see each and every functions that majorly you know all the function, but how the question they will ask in this placements. One question I said we may expect as they will give a logical expression, they will give a boolean expression, they will give like a bar dot b bar dot c bar plus something, the expression they will give, and they will ask to find a block diagram as what I said in the exactly under numeric over there. Okay, or else what they will do means they will give the block diagram, they will give, and they will ask to find the input, they will ask over there. Okay, so suppose they have some block diagram, they will give one block diagram, they will give it over there, consider. So let me take a OR gate here. Okay, let me take a XOR gate. Okay, let me take a one NAND gate. Okay, so this is the, so for example I'm doing that. Okay, so my input, so first input and second input I'm giving there. Okay, okay, and the output. Okay, so here what they will what they simply what they will ask means so in this place here I am asking only two so they will define that, they will give this block diagram, they will provide over there. After giving the block diagram, and they will tell about the result also. Okay, suppose for our this problem, consider I am going to tell the result as here. So this the indicator is returning the value false means what will be the input, what will be the input combination, which in turn you will get the result false over there. Okay, that kind of question also we may expect over there. Okay, they will give the result output, they will give the indicator value, they will provide, and you have to find the what is the proper, what is the input, if you are giving what is the input combination you are giving it, so that you will get the answer false in the output after execution of the function. They will after execution of the VA they will ask over there. Okay, so these are the kind of question we may expect on Boolean data type. Apart from these things over there, one of the important category will be available, so that only we are going to discuss now over there. Okay, so did you understood this scenario, did you understood this scenario? So they will give the, they will give the result value, they will provide. Okay, they will tell in the question itself, they will tell the result value will be, so they will suppose the result value will be all, the result indicator displays false at the end of the VA execution. What is the input combination you will provide, they will ask over there. Okay, so how to manipulate this expression means so you have some options will be available. Okay, so definitely for this question options will be very clear options over there. Okay, because two input will be available, and we know boolean has only two states there. What is the option you will get me? True, 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 false, 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 true, only you will get it over there. Okay, so this is the input combination only you will get over there. Okay, apart from these four options you you don't have any options over there. Okay, so one way will be you can able to implement true, true, we can able to put true, true in this place whether you are getting false or not, you can able to check, and true, false, check whether false is coming or not. Okay, just kindly check like that. That is a one way of finding the input combination, or else we know the value, we know the output value. Okay, here false value means okay, what is the value should come in this place. Okay, then here you need a logical table for the NAND gate you require over there. Okay, if you are making mistake in logical diagram, the logical table means you will end up with a wrong answer over there. Okay, that's why, so if you know the result means you can go, you can execute the problem from right to left manner over there. Okay, so normally lab will execute from left to right manner, but here we know the result value, that's why you can able to try to execute from right to left manner means easily you can able to identify the result value over there. Okay, that's why I'm telling this kind of scenario is also very important in Boolean data type over there. Okay, so apart from this one you have a something called as a bool, for Boolean itself you have the, so I'm taking a Boolean AND gate, I'm taking there, AND gate will be available. For Boolean AND gate, what is the input you will provide? What is the input you will provide? What is the input? What are the input data type you will provide? For the AND gate function, what are the input data type you will provide? Input data type. Data type means I'm asking about whether it's a numeric value or Boolean value, string value. What data type you will provide over there? Boolean. Most of people are telling Boolean. Okay, of course, AND gate means you should accept the Boolean value over there. Okay, what happen if you connect a numeric value? What happen if you connect numeric integer value? Numeric integer, or let's say numeric double also. What will happen? What happen if you connect numeric integer value, numeric integer, or numeric numeric DBL value? So consider I am going for So I'm going to take a numeric integer I have available. Okay, numeric integer, and here also I have a numeric integer will be available. Okay, both are numeric integer. Okay, now I am going to connect this value here, whether will accept or not. 0 for 0, other state 1. Okay, whether will accept. So I think the ma'am is telling like the value will accept. Okay, yes, the value is accepting over there. So let me go with the another terminal also. Okay, I'm going there. Okay, so what is the input value you can provide means so 0 0 0 or 1. So you are telling about 0 or 1 over there. Okay, or can I provide another input means yes, of course you can able to provide another input also. Okay, can give 5 also, it will accept. Yes, what is the integer value only? Okay, integer value only. Okay, so don't think that if you are connecting to db, if you are connecting to AND gate, it will not become binary. Okay, that is the integer value only. So now here I have a 7 will be available. Okay, now what is the output data type you will get? Input will be two integers I connected over there. What is the output data type you will get? Output data type integer or boolean? First tell me, integer or boolean? Answers we'll discuss later. Okay, so what is the output you will get? Integer, boolean, integer, boolean. Okay, we'll see. So see here, so answer will be integer you will get, not a boolean. Okay, so and the result. Okay, simple. So here the in place of here the input will be AND gate. Here there is a, for the AND gate function you are providing the input here. Your input will be integer input you are providing there. Okay, why you may ask, one doubt will be that if I connected DBL means that DBL will also will accept, but you will get a person dot will occur will coming to picture over there. Okay, don't try to connect DBL over there. Simple dot will occur over there. Okay, that's the only difference between connecting the integer and the DBL representation over there. Okay, or floating point. So if the input will be integer means your output will be that is a integer value only you will get over there. Okay, again don't tell answer will be zeros or ones. Zeros and ones definitely will not come. We'll see what is the output we are getting over there. Okay, so same way if you see here means here in help window itself, here in the help window itself clearly they are mentioning in this place they are mentioning computes the logical and of the inputs. Okay, both the inputs must be, that is this both the input must be, so they're telling numeric values, boolean values and error cluster clearly they mentioned over there. Okay, that's why the all the gate for all the functions in the boolean will accept the numeric value it will accept over there. Okay, so we can't tell the numeric it will not accept, it will accept the numeric value. So how the performance, will see the performance now. Okay, how it is executing over there. Okay, now see here both the numeric both the input will accept boolean value, numeric value and error cluster. What is this error cluster? Where we discuss this error cluster? Where we discuss this error cluster? Error cluster. Somewhere we saw there the error cluster. If you have idea means tell me, or if you forgot means just leave it. Okay, anyway we will discuss that error cluster clearly in the next topic over there. Okay, so as of now error cluster will be available. Where did we discuss error cluster means in data acquisition function you use the error out to error you connected on wire. No, yes, in case of course in error cluster where we discover in data acquisition you connected the error out to error in you connected. No, the wire you have get some error like a error of something 2 to something error you got. No, that is the error cluster over there. Okay, one indicator basically. Okay, we'll discuss that. Okay, what are the things are available in that particular error cluster over there. Okay, that also will accept over there. Okay, so remember, so because we may expect this also one of the question over there. Okay, they will give what are the input will be accepted by the AND gate function, or else they will give which of the following statement is true about the AND gate. Okay, AND gate they will give the options you will get. AND gate will accept the boolean values, AND gate will accept the numeric values. Okay, here two answers will be the correct answer over there. Okay, so at the time in the question they will mention more than one answer will be applicable, they will mention over there. Okay, which means for the particular question you have a two correct answers will be available over there. You have to pick two correct answers, then only they will reward 2.5%. Okay, if you are picking only one answer, sir I forgot to see the word means so they will not allocate half of the mark over there. Okay, so they will allocate then at the time you will get the wrong answer only they will give, they will won't provide a half mark over there. Okay, so that is not available in CLAT examination pattern over there. Okay, so whenever you are getting the multiple answers, some question may have a multiple answers applicable means you have to pick all the required, all the possible answers, correct answers for the question over there. Okay, now we will come to this scenario. Okay, so before going to the scenario, we must know the conversion functions over there. Okay, conversion function means in boolean you have the, so these are the basic gate functions will be available over there. Okay, and here you have a and array elements will be available, or array elements will be available over there. Okay, the same function will be available here also. What is add array elements? Add array elements, add array elements, multiply array elements, add array elements, multiply array elements. Name itself, you can able to tell what is that. So see here, help window is available here. Okay, so the help window will be, input will be array input you are providing over there, and output will be some output you are getting there. Okay, so simple. What is the function behavior means? So in the array you are giving some 5 numbers you are giving over there. What it will do means it will add all the elements in the particular array over there, and it will return a scalar output. It will return over there. Okay, that is the property, that is the behavior of the function over there. Okay, suppose you are giving in the array you have a 1 2 3 4 5 will be available. If you are using add array element means it will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. We can tell adding more to adding two inputs. It is also one of the methods to add two inputs over there. Okay, but with the help of array we are making use of that. Okay, so and it will some value it's returning over there. Okay, same way multiply means instead of performing addition it will perform the multiplication over there. Okay, same way here also you have the function called and array elements will be available. Logical and it will perform. Okay, so but two possible state, true false 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 false, something you can able to provide. Okay, array like a array you can able to provide, and all array elements will be available over there. Okay, so there are majorly two things are available. Now here you have the number to array will be available over there, array to number will be available. Okay, conversions in the boolean data type. Okay, in a numeric we have so many conversions available because of different representation there. Okay, but here you have two conversions available, number to array will be available, array to number will be available over there. Okay, so simply number to array means you are going to give the input number you are going to provide over there. Simply decimal to, you have a decimal value will be available, decimal value will be converted into binary format over there. Okay, or boolean format we can tell. Okay, boolean format means suppose you are providing the input value as a decimal value, like you are providing the value as 15 you are giving there. Okay, what is the boolean value, what is the respective boolean value for the value 15? So your input will be 15 over there. So see here, control I am giving there. Okay, so and output will be array output you will get. Okay, so our answer will be array output. Okay, so again I said don't tell 1 1 1 1. Okay, boolean. Okay, boolean means just binary we can tell, but here the output will be try to tell like a true 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 true. Okay, that's a way. Okay, true 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 you will get it over the 1 1. Okay, no problem there. Okay, but kindly try to convert to that value. Okay, now in this place here you have the number will be available, and here you have a output boolean array will be available over there. Okay, now see here how it is performing over there. Okay, now let me run the VI here. So can able to drag the LED over there. Okay, depend upon your input you can able to drag. Okay, now let me run the VI continuously. How the LED is glowing over there. Okay, just see that. Okay, now the input will be 0 over there. Okay, 0 means yes, LED will not be glow over there. Okay, suppose if the value will be 1 means consider the 4-bit value over there. Okay, so if the input will be 1. Okay, so suppose your input will be 1 here. So if your input will be 1 means so if your input will be 1 means how will you write the value 1 means so you have some base power will be available over there. Okay, so let me write like this. So here you have a 8 4 2 1 will be available. Okay, something you will follow over there. Okay, 8 4 2 1 something for you will follow over there. Okay, and for 1 how you will write means basically so you will write like this. Okay, yes, Sashidhar give the answer false 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 false, sorry, false false false, and you will write a true you will write it over there. Okay, likewise you will write it over there. Okay, for 2 you will write like a, for 2 your answer will be false false true false you will write false you will write it over there. Okay, same way for value 10 means how you will write for value 10, for value 10 it will be, so answer is true false will come, true false, then you have a true false you will write it over there. Okay, so true false will come over there. Okay, and for 7 means So 7 answer will be, so what is the answer you will get? Means except the value 8 you have a false, true you will write it over there. Okay. For 8 it will be answer will be 1000 you will get. Okay. One not one 1000 means how you will get a, so true will be available, remaining all will be false, false you will write over. This is a common myth we know. Okay. These are the things only we are studying over there. Okay. So these are the things we are studying, digital electronics we are studying over there. Okay. But here LSB, MSB bit will be first time we are mentioning over there, and LSB will be last we are mentioning in this place over there. Okay. But in this place, so let me come to the lab view. How we'll see how lab view is performing this same input over there. Okay. Now I am going to give the value 1 here. So see how it is giving means. So here this is the LSB bit. Okay. So in lab view this is the LSB bit. This value will be 1, 2, 4, 8, then 16, 32, 64, for 128, 256. Keep on it will go. Okay. For 1 means 1 true will be there. If you are considering 4 bit means your answer should be true, false, false, false. You should write over there. Okay. So that's the way you have to follow in lab view over there. Okay. Then for 2 means what will happen means, so false true, false false you will get. For 3 true true, false false you will get. For 4 false false, true false you will get. Then 5, 6, 7 means what is the result we got for 7 means? See here, for 7 we got a result like a, for 7 we got a result like the for 7, see the result here, false, true 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 will be available. Here it will be some reverse manner will be available over. Okay. True, here the answer will be true true true, false it's getting over there. Okay. So in lab view it's so this is the LSB bit over there. Okay. The value will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 250. Keep on it will go over there. Okay. But here we have a, we are starting with the value 8 will be available. So we have a 8 will be available over there. So 8, then 4, 2, 1 will be available. Okay. If you want to increase the bits means we'll write a 16, we'll go for 16 over there. Then we'll go for 16, 32, 16, 8, 4 to 1. Then backwards we will come over there. Okay. But here they are going from the smaller to bigger number they are going over there. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8, that order they are following over there. Okay. Understood? So what happening there? Did you understood? Because here you are following the order called 8, 4, 2, 1 you are following that, but the lab the function is not following that particular order. Okay. It's following the order called 1, 2, 4, 8. It's following that. Okay. So that's why I'm telling over there. Okay. So here it's going to be a 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 it will follow over there. Okay. Same way for 8 means answer will be false, 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 true you will get. Okay. For 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 means no problem because all are going to be a true value. Don't need to worry about that value 15. Okay. 16, 17, 18. So keep on, the value will glow over there. Okay. Depend upon your input number over there. Okay. So very important. You should know, you should know these things over there. Okay. In lab view. Okay. So understood this one? If you understood means then only we can able to go for the problem I said earlier over there. Okay. So the AND gate problem. Okay. Understood this one? Understood all of you? Understood means still you have a doubt available means so you have one more function will be available. This is number to boolean array. Okay. Now you have the reverse function will be available. Array to number will be available over there. Okay. Array to number in the sense means you are going to give the input boolean value you are going to provide over there. Okay. Like you are going to give a true you are going to provide and you are going to get the answer over there. Okay. So see here, let me create a control over there and here I have indicator will be available. Okay. So this is the boolean array and output will be available here. Okay. See here, let me run the VA once again. So here also it will follow the same order. Okay. So then you will get the answer 1 means so if this LED turned on means your answer will be 1 you will get, and here if you switch it off and if you are making this on means you will get the answer 2 you will get, and 3 you will get it over there, and 4 you will get, then 4 and 8 you are getting over there. Okay. Now this is going to be a, so here you have 5 you are getting over there, and 6 you are getting over there, and this is going to be a 7. Okay. 8, so not 15 you will get. Okay. So this is going to be a 8 you will get. Okay. 8, 9 you will get it over there. Okay. So always lab view the function number to boolean array and array to number, whatever both the function will follow. LSB bit will it will follow first over there, then it will go for the high MSB bit over there. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8 only it will follow, not 8, 4, 2, 1 over there. Okay. So very important. Okay. So kindly know this one. Okay. Now let me let me delete this one. Okay. Now we'll go for the particular problem. Okay. We'll go for the problem what we discussed earlier over there. Okay. So I'm going to take the AND gate here. For the AND gate function, I am going to provide the two inputs there. Okay. So numeric constant I am providing there. Okay. That input will be 5 and my another input will be constant. This is going to be a 8 I am giving there. Okay. What is the output indicator you will get? Means because your output indicator will play a major role. If your output indicator, if you are making a wrong, means definitely you can able to forget the question over there. Okay. So you will get a wrong answer only you will get. Okay. So answer should be a numeric indicator. First the thing will be how to tell before finding the answer. The indicator you will get a whether the indicator will be integer value only you will get. You won't get the boolean indicator. Okay. Might be the answer will be 1 you are getting, means 1 is also a numeric value. Okay. So right click, create indicator. So and result. Okay. Okay. So now what is the answer you will get? Tell me. What is the answer you will get after execution of this function? What is the answer you will get? What is the and result indicator you will get after execution of wrong? No problem. Okay. We'll run the VA and then we'll see. So if the answer is, sir, answer we will get only, so so answer is not true. Answer is not true. Answer is not false. Okay. So that is the AND gate. Okay. AND gate means so not AND gate. The indicator will be the numeric indicator. That's why I'm telling. I said the clearly. I said okay. So if your indicator will be number indicator means how true will come. True, definitely true will not come over there. Okay. 1 or 0 X. If you're telling means that's a good answer over there. Okay. Again FFF, how FFF will come? FFF will not come over there. Okay. That is a numeric indicator. Number indicator means how F will come. F won't come over there. Okay. So you have to identify this first thing over there. If you are not, if you are if you are coming to the point, your answer will be boolean answer means so how you will get a numeric indicator? Both the things will not be connected over there. Okay. So answer is so try to connect boolean indicator also. Okay. See here, I am connecting boolean indicator. So see here, I'm finding boolean indicator. See, both will not connect over there. Okay. So that's why my input will be integer means your output should be integer data type only. The numeric data type only you will get. Okay. So don't tell F means answer is wrong. Definitely we can able to tell over there. Okay. You are not understand the particular thing properly over there. Okay. So input is your answer will be 0 or 1 if you're telling us a number means okay. Then we may okay that is a number we can able to pick it over there. Okay. But not the answer boolean. Okay. Don't tell false or true over there. Okay. So let me delete this one. Yes, I got answers. One people are telling one over there. Okay, we'll run the program. We'll see what is the result we are getting over there. Okay, 0. We'll see what is the answer we are getting there. Answer is 0. I am getting there. Okay, how we are getting the answer 0? Why 0 answer? Yes, Suprada only gave the answer 0. How 0? Why we are getting that answer 0? Why can't be other 1? Is there any reason behind the value answer 0? Number to boolean conversion, yes, super. So simply that is only happening over there. Okay, and then the gate operation. Okay, so let me tell how how it is performing means the input will be 5 and 8 I am giving over there. Okay, so my input will be 5 for the value 5. What is the boolean there is boolean value we will get in respective boolean value we will get means in terms of boolean to array conversion. Okay, don't go for the 8421 methodology. Probably you will get a reverse answer. You will get probably if you're getting same answer mean no problem. Okay, but always try to go with the LabVIEW standards what they are giving in this place over there, the functions they are giving over there. Okay, so for value 5, what is the boolean value you will get for the value 5 means the boolean value will be, so see here, let me go with this it will be can able to see clearly. Okay, so in this place you have the, so if the value 5 means for the value 5, what is the boolean value means so see here the value 5, the boolean value will be you will get a 2 you will get because here you have 1 2 4 8 it will follow over there. Okay, let me write it here also 1 2 4 8 it will follow. Okay, keep on it will go 16 it will go. Okay, for the value 5, for the value 5 it will be, so you will get a 2 you will get 2 false sorry, true, false, okay, then true, false you will get over, okay, true, false you will get over for the value 5, okay. Then my other input will be, I think my other input is 8, I am thinking. So my other input will be 8 means, so you will get a false, false, true you will get it over there, okay. So this is the thing you will get it for the place over there, okay. Now what you have to do means simply after making this statement over there, what you have to do it here means, so you have to perform the logical AND gate, you have to perform, okay. Logical AND gate means basically you have to perform the truth table. Logical, you know the truth table for truth AND gate truth table, you know, okay. True, 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 false, false, okay. Don't perform the addition over, don't perform the multiplication over there, okay. Multiplication, they are not asked to find the multiplication, okay. They are asked to find the, they said the AND gate only how to perform, okay. Don't go for multiplication, okay. If you are going for so if it is means, so your answer will be, so what will happen means, true, false, the answer will be false only you will get, then false, then false, then it's going to be a false, okay. False, 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 false means your answer will be 0 only it will get, okay. So this will represent, the output will be, so 0 only it will represent over there, okay. The answer is 0 only you are getting over there, okay. Number 2, Boolean conversion is happening, okay. Likewise the program is executing over there and you are getting the result, okay. Let me give other input so that you can try and then tell me the answer, okay. So let me add a, for any function you can able to use this one, okay. For any function you can able to implement this one. So first you have to convert the given numeric input to the Boolean value, respective Boolean value in terms of number to Boolean conversion, okay. So then you have to perform the logical truth table particular in particular converted in Boolean value over there, okay. So here also I'm going to use the same input, okay. Okay, now what is that? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. What is the output you will get in both the places? What is the output you will get in both the places? So do it and then tell, okay. Don't do it in the mind calculation. If you are doing means, I know, you know, you can able to make a proper answer means, okay. Don't, for the sake, don't do like that, okay. So kindly spend at least 1 minute, okay. Maximum 1 minute if you are spending means easily you can able to identify the answer, okay. So I am going to last 1 minute. Don't think in that manner, okay. Don't do that, okay. What is the answer you will get? 1, okay. 11, okay. That is 11. 11 are and for both answer you are getting 1, or tell me clearly. 11 or 1. If you are telling means, if you are telling indicate result for both the indicator means separate by comma, okay. Put a one comma over there so that I can able to know that. So what is the answer you will get means, so same way convert that and try to get the answer. Let me run the VI here. Answer is you are getting 8 and 9 you are getting over there. Result is AND gate result is 8, OR gate result will be 9 you are getting over there, okay. So this is the thing. Understood, or I have to repeat once again. If you are finding clearly, if you know the if you know how to find means, no problem there, okay. If you no sir, still I have available means, if you are telling means, I will tell with this example over there, okay, so that you will get an idea about that, okay. Clear means, okay, no problem. Because we may think, if you are getting if you are getting the input for 0 and 1 for some numbers means, we'll stick on to the, okay, 0 will come, 1 will come, okay. Don't go in that mindset over there, okay. So here my input will be, I have a 9, 8 I am giving there, and 8, 9 I am giving there, okay. So I don't know there is relation between the input or not, I don't know exactly, but always try to solve it and get the result, okay. Sir, here 8 will be available, that's why I am getting the answer 8. Here I have a 9 will be available, that's why I'm getting the answer 9, okay. If it is working for all the inputs, different input means, okay, we can able to come to the conclusion over there, okay. But always try to go with the proper conversion manipulation, then go find the result over there, okay. Don't go with a hint, okay. Here this hint is available, that's why the answer is 9 means, don't put like that, because in examination number will change, okay. Here I am giving one number, okay. Later while practicing you will give some number over there, okay. That's why, so always go with the manipulation, then okay. So clear this thing, because this is also one of the expected question, but rarely this will the question will come, but one of the important question. Okay, that's why I'm telling. Okay, so if you cleared means so last only function available, boolean to 0 comma 1 will be available. That is the simple function only. Okay, what is the function means boolean to 0 comma 1? Simply it will convert your boolean value into the numeric value over there. Okay, if the boolean value will be false means it will give a, for the value false it will give the numeric value 0, it will provide. For the boolean value true means it will give the numeric value 1, it will provide over there. Okay, so already we used this function in binary to decimal conversion. We done this function over there. Okay, the boolean to 0 comma 1 function over there. Okay, apart from you have a two functions will be available, two constants will be available, true constant, false constant will be available. You know the both the constants value over there. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is regarding about the boolean data type. But apart from this data type, irrespective of this data type topic syllabus, we have one separate topic, separate exam topic available in CLAD will be the mechanical action will be available over there. Okay, very important topic. Mechanical action will be available over there. Okay, kindly listen here. Okay, mechanical action available. Definitely you will get one question under mechanical action. Okay, only one question is that. That question we may expect in the mechanical action over there. Okay, what is that mechanical action? We are going to discuss now. Okay, so now if you take a boolean control means for boolean control the mechanical action is available over there. So in boolean control, if you go for right click on the boolean control means you have the mechanical action will be available over there. Okay, in mechanical action you have the totally 6 mechanical action will be available. Okay, with the 2 categories there. Okay, your 2 categories will be available, 6 different actions will be available. Okay, what are the 6 2 category will be? First category will be switch, when switch action will be available, switching mechanical action will be available, then latching mechanical action will be available over there. Okay, so switching action will be available, latching action will be available over there. Okay, what is switch, what is latch, what is switch, what is latch? Tell me, what is switch, what is latch? What do you know about these two actions? What is switching action, what is latching action? Latch. So what is the switch action means? Basically if you press the, if you suppose if you are giving the input to the if the input is changed for the switch means what will happen, it will produce the output continuously until the another input changes occurring on the particular switch over there. Okay, so that is a switch behavior over there. But what is about latch means, what latch will do means, if the latch will that is also one of the control. Okay, latch is also one of the control over there. But if you press the latch control means it will the output will be for only 1 second. Okay, that will the output will be in terms of only one pulse only you will get. That pulse will last for only 1 second. Okay, the pulse will come, then again it will come back to the original state over there. Okay, but switch will never come back to the original state until another another action should be performed over there. Okay, that is a switch and latch will be available. We'll discuss clearly with the one example over there. Okay, what is switch 1 press, what is switch 1 release, what is switch until release, what is latch 1 press, latch 1 release, latch until release, all those things we'll discuss clearly over there. Okay, so switch action will be available, latch action will be available over there. Okay, so in my screen can you able to see this symbol here? So right click on the boolean. If you go for mechanical action means, can you able to see this symbol here? Can you able to see this symbol with a name? So in that place, there itself they are mentioning a switch 1 press will be available means. So see here, switch means it's going to produce a continuous output. Okay, might be true value or false value, whatever the value. Okay, so it is going to provide the continuous value until another one change, another one state change has to occur over there. Okay, so switch 1 press means when pressing it will try to start producing the output over there. Okay, so switch 1 release means when releasing only it is going to produce the output over there. Okay, then until release means while you are pressing the control you will get the output over there. Okay, then latch will discuss all those things over there. Okay, so let me go with the, so all of you go to the for this one you have one separate example will be available. Okay, the program will be available. That VI where you can able to find means, if you go to help window means, go to help window. In help window you have the find examples will be available there. Okay, so go to help window, go to find examples, go to find examples. So help window, find examples. Okay, So go to help window, go to find example, means in the find examples you will find you have the, so you, here it will list so many examples program will be available there. Okay, so that developed by any people can able develop the example program over there. Okay, if you are interested means you can able develop and you can able to upload this to example also. Okay, so many example you will get. Okay, so depend upon your module installed in your PC. Okay, host computer. Now go for search. In the search you can search for mechanical. Okay, you search for mechanical and you have a, if you tap enter means so you will get a VI called mechanical action dot VI will be available. Okay, open that VI, mechanical action dot VI will be available. Open that VI. If you want a block diagram means go for a block diagram and then see. Okay, so here we are not going to bother about the block diagram. The switch actions will be very important for us. Okay, that's why I am going for the front panel now. Okay, listen. So listen, don't do anything. Listen my screen over there. Okay, so here you have a 6 actions will be available over there. So starting from switch one press, this is the switch one press action, and switch one release, switch until release, latch one press, latch one release, latch until release will be available over there. Okay, 6 actions will be available. Okay, so first major thing will be that you have to understand the difference between the switch and latch. Okay, so where you can able to find the difference means so in that place you have a some help description will be available there. The description is telling that switch will return to a default state when directed by the user, means what they are trying to tell means when switch will be come back to the original value. What is the default value for the boolean? What is the default value for the boolean? What is the default value for the boolean? Default value for the boolean. In default you have two value only available. Default value will be false will be the default value. Okay, so in the any switching action. Okay, so all the 3 switching action when the switch mechanical action will come back to the original statement if user is trying to change the state 1 second. Okay, if he is changing manually means generally it will come back to the original state. Okay, original state it will not come automatically over there. Okay, that's why they are telling in this place. Okay, switch will return to default state when directed by the user means when controlled by the user. Another time we can tell. Okay, but what about latch means read from the terminal on the block diagram. Okay, so simply what they are telling means so when latch will come to the default state means when the value will be read by the lab means it will come to the original it will come to the original state over there. Okay, then it will automatically come to the original state. The false value will come over there. Okay, so that is a major difference between switch action and latch action. We'll discuss one by one. Okay, so kindly listen. Okay, again and again I'm telling. Okay, because if you understand this behavior means then only you can able to go for the question over there. Okay, till now we are not enter into the question how they will ask questions over there. Okay, so first you have to understand this behavior over there. Okay, so this definition is very important. Okay, kindly make a note of this definition because the one question I said no, that one question maybe you will get a theory question also you will get. Okay, like they will give which of the following statement is true about the switch one press mechanical action, they will give it over there. Okay, at the time this definition will play major role. Okay, change state on a button press remain there until another button press over there. Okay, so for all the things the definition will be available while running the way you can able to see the changes over there. Okay, so here you have a boolean control will be available, that is a one boolean control. Okay, so that is a one boolean control over there. Again, normal like a one push button. Okay, that is a normal push button. That's a one boolean control will be available, and indicator will be available to tell what happening there. Okay, then you have the one counter button will be available to count in a sense how many times the LEDs keep on glowing over there to make a counter over there. Okay, so let me run the VI single time. Okay, so now currently switch one pressed will be available. What is switch one pressed means then the state will change. Okay, now what is the state of this what is the state of this boolean control? The state of the boolean control will be false value. When the boolean control state will change means if you press the button, if you press this control means the state will be changed over there. Okay, now I am going to change the state here. Okay, so I'm going to change the state here. Okay, it's no need to be keep on press it over there. Okay, just change it over there. If you keep on hold the mouse also the light will the indicator will glow starts and counter will start over there. Okay, so simply identify the example in your home you have a switch will be available, normal switch, fan switch, light switch will be available. Okay, so you are going to put the switch over there, and you are not holding a switch for a while. Okay, you are putting the switch means so currently it is in the false state. Okay, false state means the fan is not rotating over there. When you switch on, it means the fan is start rotating, and you are taking off your hand and you are doing other work, means that same thing is happening here also. Okay, when the other state will happen, when the switch will go to other, when the particular control will go to other statement, that is other statement, false statements, again you have to make a one button press. The remember with the again fan example. Okay, so if you go for again one press means it will go to off state. Now if the status of the LED will be in the off state, and counter is also stop over there. Okay, so we can able to relate with the real example over there. Okay, real you have a switch will be available. If you press the switch means instantaneously you have a output will be available, true output you will get. Okay, and you will take off your hand over there. Okay, even if you keep on holding the switch means you are keep on keep on keeping the switch over there, means at that time also the fan is starting rotating over there. Okay, so switch when pressing, immediately will start giving the output over there. Okay, so that is a switch when pressed action. Name itself, the reason will be available. Switch when pressing, when you are pressing the switch, output will be produced over there. Okay, now reset this value. Now go for switch when release. In switch when release action, so in switch when release mechanical action, what I am going to do it here means, so see here, change state on a button release. Okay, when change of state will happen means when you are releasing the button. Okay, when you are releasing the mouse cursor on the button on the control means then only change of state will happen. Okay, which means false value will go to the true value. Okay, now I am pressing the control over there. I am keep on pressing the control with the mouse. Okay, till now I am not I didn't release it over there. If I release it means you will get the answer over there. Okay, now I am going to release it here. If you release it means, so now the switch will be in the on state over there. Okay, you are getting the on state. Okay, now when it will go to the when it will go to false value, the control will go, the indicator will go to off state, means again you have to keep on press the switch. When releasing only change of state will happen. Okay, so I am releasing, then it will become a false value over there. Okay, until it will count the values over there. Okay, so that is a switch one released mechanical action over there. Okay, what about switch until release means it's very simple. Switch until release. Okay, if switch until release mechanical action means if you keep on pressing the boolean control. Okay, if you keep on pressing the boolean control means you will get the output. If you release it means you won't get the output over there. Okay, so see here, if you keep on pressing the boolean control means you will get the output. If you release the means you won't get the output over there. Okay, there is a different between each and every actions over there. Okay, and is switch until release. Okay, now latch. So we saw switch action there. Now the latch action will be, so what happened in latch action means latch when press same press, you are going to make a press over there, but see what happening there. Latch when press, change state on a button press, same thing, but change back when the control is read by the lab view. Once the lab view will be read by the control means the action means it will return to the original state. The false value it will return over there. Okay, that's the thing they're telling that. So I am going to press it here. So you can able to see one pulse will be produced over there for a 1 second. We are considering, okay, one pulse will be produced, then it will come back to the original state over there. Okay, see here, one pulse will come, then it will go back to the false state. Okay, then one pulse will come, again go back to the false state over there. Okay, same way for latch one released also. When the state will change means when releasing it will change over there. Okay, so I am pressing now. Now I am going to release it here. If you release the means, then one pulse will come, then counter will read, will counter value will acquire the value 1, then going back to the false value over there. Okay, so again I am doing that. So I am pressing now. When it will state will change means when releasing only it will change. So now on state for 1 second, then you going back to the false value over there. Okay, that is a latch when release. Latch will last for only 1 second maximum. Okay, or only one pulse only it will produce over there. Okay. Then last will be latch until release. Latch until release and switch until release both are same mechanical action. Okay, both are same mechanical actions there. Okay, so what the switch until the mechanical action will do, same thing only latch action will do. Okay, see here, if you keep on pressing the control means yes, you will get the output. If you release it means you won't get the output. Same mechanical actions. Okay, latch until release, switch until release. Okay, understood all of you? This 6 mechanical action. So all of you understood the behavior of 6 mechanical action? Just tell me quickly. Because if you understood this one only, you can able to try the problems. Okay, I'm going to tell how the question will ask in the exam pattern over there. Okay, the expected questions in the exam. Okay, so if you understood means, let me stop this VA here. Okay, let me go to, or else. So here you have the, so consider a mechanical action. Okay, so how they will ask question in examination means, okay, consider a mechanical action. Consider a mechanical action. Mechanical action. Okay. So mechanical action means they are going to tell what is a mechanical action. So we'll start with the switch one pressed mechanical action. Okay, we'll go with the switch one pressed mechanical action. Okay, my mechanical action will be switch one pressed mechanical action. Okay, so for the switch one pressed mechanical action, they have something called Boolean control will be available. Okay, they will give some, for the sake they will give one block diagram also, they will give it over there. Okay, so like this they will give. So directly, this is the direct question. Okay, so there is no twist over there. Twist will be, so you have to understand the question properly means, that's the very good thing over there. Okay, so they will not make any twist in this place over there. Okay, so mechanical switch one press already it's available over there. Okay, they will connect like this. Okay, for the sake they will connect over there. Okay, so consider the mechanical switch one press, and they will give, what they will give means, they will give one tabular column like a time value seconds. That is, they will give at this particular second I am going to perform this actions over there. Okay, they will give some they will give some they will give one some different kind of criteria they will provide over there, actions they will provide over there. Okay, so this is the action. Okay, action, time will be available, actions will be available over there. Then time means, so that's for our understanding only, we are going for the time over there. Okay, so it's not to be a very proper time. Okay, for our understanding I will tell how to find the values also. Okay, so 0. Okay, at 0 time you are going to run the VI. At 0 you are going to run the VI. Okay, 0 seconds. Then at 5th second, at 5 you are going to press the, at 5 press the, presses the boolean presses the switch one, press the switch one pressed button. So presses the switch one pressed button. Okay, so here what they're mentioning means, so here they are mentioning the presses the switch one pressed button means, okay, so at the 5th second I am going to press this control over there. Okay, they are mentioning this control is configured with the switch one pressed button. That's why they are telling you are at the 5th second you are going to press this switch one pressed button over there. Okay, button or control, whatever we can tell. Okay, so at 5th second I am going to press the switch one pressed button over there. Okay, you are going to press. Then at 8th second, at 8 you are going to release the, at 8 you are going to release as the switch one pressed button, switch one pressed button. Okay, so at 8th second you are going to release. Okay, so you are going to press it from 5 to 8 till between 5 to 8 you are pressing the button over there. At 8 you are going to release it over there. Okay, so releasing the switch when pressed button over there. Okay, action will be same. Okay, releases mean, don't think that they're asking switch when release. Okay, there is not switch when release. Okay, you are going to take your mouse control on the you are going to take your mouse on the particular you are going to take off your mouse control on the particular boolean over there. Okay, that's the, so releases the switch one releases the switch one pressed button over there. And next thing will be at 12 I am going for presses, and presses the switch when pressed button, presses the switch when pressed button, sorry, pressed button. Okay, then last it will be at 15 stop the VI. At 15 stop the VA over there. Okay, so stop the VA. stop the VA over there. Okay, so this is the problem. But if the problem, so this is the question actually. Okay, so the scenario I have given there, and the question will be, so what is the value of what is the value of what is the value at, so we'll go for 7th second. What is the value of 7th second and 14th 13th second? Okay, what is the value of 13th second and 7th second of the indicator, of the result indicator? Okay, of the result indicator. Okay, so this is the result one. Okay, so this is the result. To identify the what is the status or what is the value. Okay, whatever we can tell. Okay, status means boolean, that's why I'm telling a status over there. Okay, what is the value of the 7th second and 13th second of the result indicator? Okay, so what is the value we will get in the 7th second and 13th second of the result place over there? Okay, that's the question they're asking over there. What is the option you will get in this question? Means option will be very direct option you will get. Okay, because boolean option A will be, you will get a 2 comma true you will get. Then B, option B will be 2 comma false will be available. Option C will be, they have a false comma 2 will be available. Option D will be, you have a false comma false will be available over there. Okay, so what is the answer you will get? Can you guess? So you understood this, which one press the mechanical action means, what is the output you will get? So read the every sentence carefully, then answer. Okay, true false, true false, one answer true I got. Okay, we'll see. So try to write wrong. Okay, try to answer. Okay, so I will tell how to identify the answer. Okay, I will tell how I will tell the method to identify the answer. Okay, true false, true. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so we'll see what happening there. Okay, so we'll go for now whiteboard. Okay, let me clear all those things. Okay, so now I am going to identify, so simply I am going to identify this mechanical action with the one timing diagram over there. Okay, timing diagram in the sense, so normally if you want to draw any pulses, we'll draw one timing diagram over there. Okay, so simple timing diagram I'm going to draw over there. Okay, so I have some seconds will be available for our reference. I'm going to write a 0, that is the time value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 will be available over there. Okay, for the first time, if you are not understanding properly, means you are able to follow this kind of steps over there. Okay, so this will give an idea to this will give some idea to know to get a clear about the mechanical actions over there. Okay, that's why I'm going for timing diagram. If you can able to identify the answer without the diagram, this diagram also, yes, super. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, now, so this is our time I mentioned. I said over there. Okay, this is the time value over there. Okay, this is the time. Okay, time. Okay, time will be available over there. Okay, now in this place, what we are going to do in this place means, so here we have a timing will be split over there. We have a something. Here we have so many conditions will be available in this place over there. Okay, so we have so many conditions I am getting over there. I am going to make use of this condition. I am going to make use of this condition here. Let me keep it this side. Okay, I am going to make use of this conditions over there. Okay, so we'll go with the condition over there. So what's our first condition? Means my first condition will be in this place will be, I am going to run the VA over there. Okay, at 0th second I am going to run the VA here. Okay, at 0th second I am going to run the VA in this place. At 5th second I am going to press the switch one pressed button over there. Okay, press the switch one press button means I am going to press the boolean control over there. Okay, that configured button I am going to press it over there. Okay, what is the boolean, what is the result you will get in 4th second? What is the result will be available in 4th second? What is the result will be available in 4th second? 4th second. At 5th only you are going to press the control over there. Okay, 4th from 0 to 4 the answer will be false only you will get. Okay, so see here from 0 to I am drawing here at 4 the value will be false value only you will get. Okay, when it will become, when it will go to true value means at 5 you are pressing over there exactly at 5. Okay, so exactly on 5 you have a one rising pulse you will get. this rising pulse will be true value over there. Okay, at 4.99 floating point will not come, but 4 to 4.99 you have an answer false will be available. Suppose they are asking question, you have a 5 available, at 50 second answer will be true only, you have to tell. Okay, so answer is true, you will get. Okay, at 50 second answer is true. So from 5 to 8 you are going to press the switch over there. Okay, so that is a switch one pressed action over there. So I said remember the example, the fan switch or light switch over there. Okay, the pressing means if you release also till it will be in the on state over there. Okay, so it will be in the on state. When you are releasing at 8 you are releasing over there. Okay, at 8 you are releasing over there. What is the status of 8? What is the boolean value of 8th second? What is the boolean value of 8th second? We'll see who is telling this answer correctly. At 4 you said answer false. How false? How it will be false? So you are releasing the switch, you are releasing the control means, so simply you are releasing over there. At that time it will be true only. I said remember the switch in your home over there. Okay, so kindly imagine with the switch available in your home. Okay, if you release it means nothing will not happen. Your answer will be true only, you will get. When it will go to false value means, at 12 you are pressing no, then only it will go to false state over there. Okay, see here, up to the value 11 here the answer will be true. At exactly 12 your answer will be false over there. Okay, so sorry, so let me give undo. So at 12, okay, at 12 here you have one rising pulse will be available. This is will go like this. Okay, so here only change of state will happen. So I asked the question for 7th second, I asked the 7th second, the answer is true here. Okay, at 13th second the answer is false. Okay, the value is false. The answer is true, false. Whoever give the answer, yes, good applause to you, the people. Okay, you understood the wordings over there. Okay, the wording is very important. Okay, that's why I clearly said. So releases means, so nothing will happen if you release over there means. Okay, still I am not getting the properly means. Go to the example, the mechanical example. Assume, okay, so I am pressing the switch over there. Now I am going to release it over there. Okay, try to assume it yourself and try to get the answer over there. Okay, surely you can able to get the answer over there. Okay, very important topic. Okay, now try to get the answer for switch until release. Try to get the same scenario. Okay, try to get the answer for switch until release. Switch until release. Of course, here it will change. Switch until released. Okay. Okay. Try to get the answer for switch until release. So what is the answer you will get? Same scenario is same. Okay. Try to get the answer for switch until release. Okay. So here this is going to be a switch until release the mechanical action. What happened? Switch until release mechanical action. Very simple action. This is the one very easy. So switch until release means when you are pressing the switch, you are going to get the answer. Bhavya, answer is wrong. Answer is wrong. Check out. Both of the answer is wrong. Switch until release. I said okay. Switch until release means so 7 and 13. I'm asking. Okay, not 13 and 7. Okay. So see. So first answer will be 7 means yes, one answer you have to tell. Okay, yes, probably so. True, false. Okay, true, false. Okay, true. You won't get. True. You won't get. That is switch when released. No, sorry. Okay. Sorry. So you are making answer for switch when release or switch until release. Just kind me. I just confused with the question itself. Okay. So you are giving answer for switch when release or switch until release. Switch until release. Switch until release means also. Switch until release means your answer is true, false. You will get. true false will not come probably. Switch until release means so how will it come? So switch until release means you are pressing the switch over there. Switch until release means so see here. So see here, switch until release means so what will happen? So I'm running the VA here. Switch until release will be available. I am going to press the Boolean control. I'm going to start the VA here. Okay. So for the answer will be, so at 5 you are going to press it over there. So I asked 7. So 5 7 means 5 7. They have a, in 7 you have a answer true will be available. Okay. At 7th second you have a true only you will get. Okay. Then at 8 you are releasing over there. Then at 12 you are going to press it over there. Means at 12 you are pressing over there. Okay. So definitely you have to release the switch over there. Okay. So 13 I asked true only you will get. No, but you are telling false value. You are telling over there. You are telling false value. That's why I'm asking. So see the question here.